Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today I just came across Velvet Shanks. This is a nice winter mushroom and it's usually associated with elm trees, but you can see it on oak trees as well, or beech trees, so look around. It's really nice. You can see the nice orange color. These are really tiny, so it usually grows to bigger sizes, but just to give you idea what it looks like. And I've got a few more here. There you go. And you need to make sure you won't confuse this with a highly poisonous funeral bell. So check out what a funeral bell looks like. The difference is funeral bell has a skirt, whereas Velvet Shank hasn't got any skirt at all. This is what it looks like. This is really young one. When it gets older, you can see usually the leg is really dark. This one isn't because it's a young one, so it's really dark, but on the top you will see it will be still sort of like a light. So wonderful winter mushroom, Velvet Shank, and when it's raining you can see the cup will be sort of slimy. The legs are usually tough, so it's usually only the top which you will eat. But it's a really nice one. Have you came across this one before?